Put a condom on your feet. You will be grateful for such advice. The traditional use of a condom is known since the time of King Minos. According to legend, a curse was placed on him, because of which his sperm contained snakes and scorpions. The noble king saved his love from the terrible fate, having created a condom from the goat's bladder. Since then, the condom protects against diseases of the reproductive system, significantly reduces the likelihood of HIV transmission, and prevents unwanted pregnancies. Why you need a condom? You do not even guess that you can use condoms outside the bedroom. Here are 9 brilliant solutions to everyday problems with this latex product. The only condition: for such experiments it is desirable to take condoms without lubrication. Unusual ideas. Waterproof case. A condom can protect your electronic devices from moisture and water. Just put your smartphone or camera inside and firmly tie it. Great solution for the beach. Cold compress. You have accidentally hit yourself and need to apply a cold? Fill the condom with cold water, tie it and place it in the freezer. This will be at your fingertips when you need a cold compress. Waterproof bandage. If you cannot wet a wound underwater, you can do this. Put bandage first and put a condom on top, cut off from one side. Waterproof socks. In rainy weather, put condoms on your feet and they won't be wet. Anti-stress toy. Anti-stress toys are very popular, and they cost a lot. We know how to make this cheap and fast. Take a condom, fill it with flour and tie it tight. With a marker draw a cheerful face.